Hi, I'm Dana Kerigan, and welcome to Tuesday's Digital Tips and Tricks. This week I'm going to be showing you what you need to know about the new Facebook business page layout. Now, if you manage a Facebook business page, you've probably seen in the last year some huge changes that have happened. So adapting to a new look can be quite overwhelming, especially when you have a million other things going on. So I'm going to tell you the main things that you need to know. We've outlined the top 5 things you need to know about the new layout. Number 1, your Facebook cover photo size has changed. You may want to make sure your photo still looks correctly sized. Take a quick peek on mobile and desktop to make sure. You can edit the photo right on Facebook or upload a new photo. Number 2, navigation tabs have moved. Buttons for posts, photos, videos, and events used to be in the top bar of your page. You'll find them now in a vertical menu. 3, call to action button is customizable. One of the most helpful changes to Facebook is you can now customize your call to action button. Hover over the button and click Edit Button to choose from other options like book an appointment, send message, call now, or shop. Number 4, our story section. The Our Story section is going away February 28th, 2021. So we are now in February, so you don't have much time. The feature used to be a great place to explain more about your business. But in 2021, we recommend creating a pinned post that will appear at the top of your page to highlight the most important information to your customers. And finally, number 5, Facebook Stories. With the success of Instagram Stories, it makes sense that Facebook has adopted that feature too. Stories are a fun way to showcase your business personality. Try making a story with a daily special or showing off new inventory. Explore the new features of your Facebook business page today. It takes time to master all the new button locations and features. Our team is here to help you through that process. Reach out if you'd like our dedicated social media team to handle updating your social media pages and creating posts for you. Having consistent messaging online is a great way to keep your customers engaged and interested in what your business is up to. And one less thing on your to-do list. Have a great day.